Hey everyone, welcome to Knoll Tech. Today I'll show you how to change the language and region on your iPhone. This works on all iOS versions, so let's get started. First, unlock your iPhone and open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on General. Scroll down, then select Language and Region. At the top, tap on Add Language. You'll see a list of available languages. Select the language you want, then tap Use that language. Your iPhone will restart briefly and the language will update automatically. Now, to change your region, go back to Language and Region and tap on Region. Choose your preferred country from the list. This updates your date format, time format, calendar, and currency settings. Once you're done, simply exit Settings. Your language and region changes are now applied. And that's it. You've successfully changed your iPhone's language and region settings. If this helped you, hit that like button and subscribe to Knoll Tech for more iPhone tutorials. Thanks for watching.